And new here at 6:30, Louisville Water Company is working to make repairs after a water main break in South Louisville. You can see right here the impact of the break. Several cars were submerged in water caused by the break on 3rd and West Kenton streets. According to the company, the 16-inch water main broke around 8:30 this morning, and they do not know what caused it yet. The company said 11 customers would be without water service as it works to make the repairs, and that includes homes and businesses. Louisville Water Company said their goal is to have water service restored by midnight today, and crews will be on site throughout the evening. They'll be back in the area tomorrow to finish the repair and fix the roadway.